up in Google, every time you type in a keyword that includes a geographic indicator. So if you say Nashville lighting stores, like this example, you're going to immediately see a map and some store listings. Make sure your business is in the local listings, and make sure that you claim your business listing. As Colleen said, we've seen people who will actually go out and unethically claim somebody else's listing and then change it to their phone number. We saw a pizza company directly across the street from them, their competitor. It said the name of the pizza company and had their competitor's phone number and website address there. So it does happen. It's free. Go claim your business and make sure that you're take control over your local listing. You can get a lot of traffic off local listings if you're in a business that would produce local listings. It's also showing up for keywords that even if you don't put in a geographic indicator, like if I just type in pizza, Google's going to know I'm looking for pizza stores, and it's going to produce local listings. So there's certain service-oriented keywords that it's showing up for. Gain social, everyone knows about social networks. They're a great way to produce some traffic, as well as a lot of other different things you can do for your company. Basically, I'm quickly go over social networking. Social networking is a whole nother seminar we do, but some very basic things you can do. First of all, a definition. A social website or a social network is any website that gets interaction between the users. So if even on your own website, you can create a social tool on your own website. If you had some sort of forum or a chat room where people could interact with each other. Social networking is great for connecting families. It helps expanding your business, improving your civic life, and can help build communities. What can you do for your business? Well, you can do all these different things. You can definitely get branding through social networks. You can create awareness about your brand or your product. Social media can impact your SEO. Search engines are starting to pick up. Facebook, Twitter, different social networks like that, and starting to use those links. Remember, the more links you have out there, the better. So you're getting all these links and all these great keywords about you out on the social networks. Search engines are starting to pay attention to those. So it can definitely impact your SEO. You can help build your reputation, drive traffic to your website. You can even just monitor and learn about your business or your industry. If you're a business large enough for people to be talking about you, you can hear and learn what they're saying about you, or even just about your industry in general. You can provide customer service. That's a big strategy that a lot of tech companies are doing, is they're providing customer service or tech support through their Facebook page or Twitter pages. What you can do on Facebook, you can do all these different things on Facebook, and it can be a lot more than just creating a Facebook page and starting to post on it. You can offer coupons and online-only incentives. You can poll your audience. You can promote any sort of events or special sales, things like that. There's a thing called Facebook Marketplace, which acts like classified ads. So you can actually advertise your products and services inside the Facebook Marketplace. You can share presentations and white papers, try to make yourself be the expert or perceived as the expert. Helping promote your videos and photos. If you're in a business that you're producing a lot of videos or photo galleries, you can definitely get some traffic to them off of Facebook. Collecting customer feedback and registrations, collecting testimonials. It's a great place to ask your customers for some feedback and collecting some testimonials. And you can do even more with the Facebook markup language, which is basically Facebook's programming language. If you ever go to a big Facebook brand's website, like if you go to Coca-Cola's Facebook page, you're going to see things on that page that almost looks like a website. It doesn't look like a Facebook page. And you can do those things through Facebook markup language. You can, as we mentioned, you can run pay-per-click ads. These were some ads, again, with Frugal McDougal back last fall during a fall sale. Works very similar to Google pay-per-click or any other search engine pay-per-click. It's a great way to target. Studies are finding that the average internet user is spending 27% of their online time on social networks. That's a huge amount of time for everyone to be using on. So why not starting to place some ads in the second best place, a social network? Here's a Williamson County Fair Facebook page. Everyone knows Williamson County Fair. It lasts for 2 weeks. They started advertising on Facebook and creating a Facebook page 3 weeks prior and to the fair last year, and they were trying to get some fans and make them aware of the fair and the different events and competitions that they had coming up. So they were on there saying, hey, we just booked the Blues Brothers on the main stage on whatever date it was at whatever time. So they were telling people about it. And then during the fair, they were telling people and reminding them what was going on. They'd say, hey, tonight at 6 o'clock, main stage, Blues Brothers is playing. Or don't miss so-and-so competition tomorrow at noon at the main event tent or whatever. They even supported their sponsors, Tractor Supply being their main sponsor, so they were able to add them in and get some support through them. All in all, over 3 weeks prior and 2 weeks during the fair, they got over 1,600 fans connecting to their Facebook page. And what's great about it is, even though they're only a one-time-a-year event, that's 1,600 people that they're in build on every single year. So this year, they have 1,600 people that they're immediately able to market to, directly market to through their Facebook page. So it was a great campaign for them, and it's just going to continue to build on itself.